Oh yes, Tuna Classic bond. Tuna Classic to bond over 3.5 trillion coins by 2025. If we take away 3.5 trillion coins from the current supply of Tuna Classic LUNC, I think we should be having almost 3.3 trillion. Okay, yes, if we take away, we should be having almost 3.3 trillion left. And if by then the staking of Tuna Classic keep on increasing, whereby Tuna Classic might have staked over 1 trillion or 2 trillion coin, that means we'll be left with about 1.3 trillion circulating supply. But I don't normally look at the staking side of it, okay, because people that stake can still not continue to stake. Then this coin that has been staked can still come back in the circulation. So the only time you will see the staking of coins affect coins in that period of staking. Okay, after that staking, and if these coins are no longer, if people no longer stake much coin, definitely the coin will return to their circulating supply. So I always focus on the burning of coin. This is the major thing I want to see. Okay, the way they support burning more than staking. Yes, burning of coin will definitely destroy that coin forever. I mean forever. Staking of coin will definitely not take away that coin forever. At that moment, it will only take away that coin at that moment, not forever. While burning of crypto coins will destroy the coins forever. The coin will not be out there for circulation. So the coin is gone. While staking will still return the coin one day, depending on the period of time the person that staked the coin chose. So for me, in 2025, if they believe 3.5 trillion coins can be destroyed, well, it is still possible, okay? Or even before then, it's still possible, or it might still take more than this period. But the most important thing for me as a crypto trader, the most important thing for me as LUNC holder is not for me to end up without making profit. I don't want to know how many percent. I have a certain period of time I'm actually waiting. So I want to end up making good profit for myself. These days, crypto industry is very difficult because so many businesses, online businesses have really emerged. So many people have now engaged more on affiliate marketing. People are now putting their time into real estate. Okay, some people have also putting in their time into e-commerce business. So these are some businesses people are really doing right now online. So most people don't have that much time for cryptocurrency. There are a lot of crypto traders these days. Some of them are actually stopped. Some are invested their money into real estate. Some are invested their money into e-commerce. While others, new ones that are yet to make good amount of money, have also focused on other online businesses. So some also focus on NFT. This is why all these things have been affecting cryptocurrency, because there are so many online businesses people can engage and make money online. This is why cryptocurrency right now in 2023 is still finding it a little bit difficult. But apart from that, I still believe that before the end of 2025, we are still going to see something different. A lot of people believe that crypto industry might not exist anymore. A lot of people believe that if Bitcoin reaches $10,000, then it's going to be over for crypto industry because of BTC to 10,000. While others believe that in 2025, BTC might be trading at 100,000 or 200,000 or even $500,000 because crypto industry have high market trading volume and market cap. They are one of the biggest financial institutions with the highest market cap. Over almost, that was the last 2 years, almost $2.3 trillion. As of time of recording this, about $1.2 trillion is being circulated into crypto industry. So, and apart from that, even here on this channel, I think, like I said before, we want to start also, engaging in other online businesses, not just crypto industry, because I want my followers to also join us in making money online. They have some other things apart from crypto trading and crypto investment that we normally do. So there are some online businesses that we also engage on, and these businesses, I will be bringing out these businesses live for you so that you can learn and make good money from online. So most of these businesses, you don't need to stop your daily work, you don't need to stop your business. You can still be working you can still be doing your normal day life business while engaging in these businesses. If you are a trader, you want to trade in forex, you want to trade in crypto industry, or you want to invest on buy and hold coins, definitely this channel is for you. Remember, this is not a financial advice. Please kindly know this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.